Your chatbot performance degrades after 30 interactions, with context length reaching 50,000 tokens by the 35th turn. Analytics show that 94% of queries rely only on the most recent few turns, and the rare queries regarding earlier context could easily be clarified by the user. What strategy best optimizes both performance and the conversational experience?
The options are as follows. Option A, use prompt caching to transmit the full conversation history, reducing overhead while keeping all data intact. Option B, build a vector database to perform semantic search across the entire chat history for every query.
Option C, develop a summarization strategy that compresses older segments while preserving the latest few turns to keep context manageable. Option D, enforce a hard limit on context length to the last 10 turns and require users to manually input any necessary background information.
This question touches on managing token limits and latency in large language model applications. The challenge is balancing the need for relevant historical data against the efficiency costs of processing large input volumes over time.
I believe the correct answer is option C. Implementing a summarization strategy that compresses older segments while preserving the most recent turns is the most effective approach here. This technique keeps the context window manageable, which directly reduces latency and improves overall performance.
By keeping the most recent turns intact, you satisfy the 94% of queries that rely on immediate context with high precision, while the summary covers the remaining 6% of cases. It effectively balances model performance with a seamless user experience.
Let's look at why the other options are not the best fit. Option A focuses on caching, which might lower costs, but does not actually resolve the latency issues caused by processing large input contexts. Option B adds unnecessary architectural complexity and retrieval risks for a simple chat history.
Finally, option D creates a frustrating experience by forcing the user to manually manage their own context, which undermines the quality of the interaction. When approaching these architectural questions, always prioritize solutions that minimize system overhead while keeping the user experience as frictionless as possible.